Once you have received your student's Lexile and/or Quantile measure from an assessment, we have made it easier to know what to do next. Here's a quick way to interpret your students' results and find resources to support their learning. Start by visiting the Lexile and Quantile Hub at hub.lexile.com. From there, select the Resources and then Resource Center. You will find your next steps located in the Quick Links section. Once inside the tool, enter your student's Lexile or Quantile measure, or both. If you are not sure where to find your student's measure, we have listed some options on the right. After entering a measure and grade, select Build My Plan to see your results. On your results page, there will be different tabs available. Let's start with exploring your reading plan. Step 1, Discover, includes a quick explanation of a Lexile measure. Step 2, Results, provides a simple interpretation of the specific Lexile measure you entered. In this example, we entered 600L for a third grade student. According to our Lexile norms, this means the student's measure is within the typical range compared to other third graders across the United States. This does not indicate how they are doing on specific state standards and should not be used to indicate whether a student is ready for the next grade. Still confused? Step 2 also includes a list of tips and resources to help you and your families better understand what this measure means about their students' reading ability. Step 3, Explore, is where you can put the student measures into action. Did you know that there are 2 types of Lexile measures, one for students and the other for texts? Yes, text complexity is also measured, and books are given a Lexile measure too. This allows us to put student reading measures and text measures on the same scale and find books within their Lexile reading range. Books in their Lexile range provide the right amount of challenge to support growth and engagement. When looking at the results, you can see some in-range book recommendations, including a variety of fiction and nonfiction. Graphic novels are also included if available in the selected range and are indicated with the Lexile code GN. Sometimes you will see other codes like AD, for example, which stands for Adult Directed. More information about Lexile codes is available on Find a Book, which is directly linked to the results page. You can select See More Books in Find a Book to take the next step in book exploration. Remember, there's also a Quantile math plan for your student. Scroll back to the top and select Your Math Plan. It's located beside your reading plan. If you entered a Quantile measure, you will see math results here. Similar to the reading plan, the first step explains what a Quantile measure is. Step 2 displays how your student's Quantile measure compares to other students in their grade. In this example, a measure of 600Q is above the typical range for students in grade 3. Continue scrolling down to find math activities, including videos, lesson plans, and worksheets, all aligned with your student's 600Q measure. Just like texts, math resources are also measured and assigned a Quantile measure, helping you find materials for your student based on their specific math readiness. If you and your student want to explore additional materials, you can use the Find a Math Activity tool, which is linked at the top of this section. These next steps for reading and math can help you find curated learning materials that will support your student with their reading and math skills.